Welcome back. So last night a little Etsy order came in. Those that have watched some of my other videos know that I love a smart plug. So I bought a, what one was it? The Tapo. This one. I've already got the app and I've got a couple of these plugs already. That is a tiny lovely little plug, auto off timer, remote control, flame retardant. But obviously you plug that in and you connect your smart device. I won't say the word because it upsets people. ALEXA. Connect that to that, and then basically what I've done is the 3D printer's left switched on the back. I plugged it into this. So when I was out today, I got a little order come through. I had the black. It was black. I had the black filament in the machine already. I went through my phone. The phone has history. The Bambu Handy app has history on it. Went through the history and found the drone case, the large bottom case, which printed for about 2 hours with the pips, the new model design I've drawn up myself. Switched it on with the app, the ALEXA app. Switched this on. That in turn switched the printer on, and I hit print in the history drop down of the Bambu Handy app. So we'll have a look inside the printer, see what we've got. Hopefully that's come out okay, because obviously I looked at it every now and again via the app on the camera with the camera, and it looked pretty good print to me. It's in black, which is a new one for me. So what I'm going to do is set the lid up to print the lid. When they're both finished, take some nice pretty photographs for them so I can update my Etsy and Shopify listings with some different photographs. But let's have a look inside now. Hopefully it's come all right, fingers crossed, you never know. There we go, there she is. Comes off easy because that's just that's lovely. There's a bit of a mark there. That's it. That's lovely. Put that there. Take off these two little bits at the front. I can go in the bin. I'll just make sure everything's okay. Just want a little bit of there's no filament up there. It's all right. Make sure that plate's clean. Shut the door. Right. So that's the case, and that should be the pipped one. It's got a little pips. It's got a couple of little. Apparently you can alter the top layers and that's it's got a little mark there. Negligible. A little pip there. Almost nothing there to be fair, but it just helps it stand a bit. That's come out lovely, that black, really nice. Right, now we go into where do we go? Do we go prepare? No, we don't. We go to home, more body pipped. I've done that once. I'm going to actually import it again. Import. There you go. I moved them the other day, so I got body pipped, body unpipped, lid pipped, lid unpipped. So I opened up the lid pipped. There we go, there's a lid. And you can see these little tiny pips there. I think it just helps the lid connect. There's not a lot there actually. But I did look at a video today for some settings as well. But I'm going to leave it for now. I won't alter anything. Line width default 0.4, initial layer 0.5. Apparently if you make the initial layer thicker, that helps out with it, adhesion to the bottom. But I'm not going to do anything with this yet. Seam aligned. I'll keep it all like that for now. So I can do slice plate. There we go. Slice okay. We'll go for it. I think it's going to put a seam there, look, on the edge, which is perfect. Just on that edge there. This is where you want it. Okay. So print plate. I'm not going to bed level it or time lapse it. I'm just going to go for it. Should I do a time lapse? Oh no, we won't bother. That's going to take 34 minutes. It's 20. Okay, go. Fantastic. This is. It's alright until something goes wrong, I suppose. Lamps on, speed's 100, it's going to start warming up. There, you can see that there? Warming up. I think that's the nozzle there. You can see my mouse. And that's the bed. So the nozzle's 32, it's going up to 75, that's the heat bed. I think we should be able to turn this on in a minute. Heat bed preheating. There we go. While that's doing that, I'll inspect this. That looks nice to me. You can alter it so you've got a better lay on the top there. I've been looking at some settings today, but I'm not going to do it today. I'm going to do it right now. It's lovely, that. Look at that. Lovely fit. It won't go in that way, it goes in that way. Really nice, really nice quality. There it is, merrily printing away the lid. While that's printing, I'll go and show you something else. It's printing the lid merrily away. I called it a she earlier. I was talking to myself. I thought, let's see what she's doing. I don't know why I've called my 3D printer a she. It could be a he, couldn't it? Or it could be non-gender or whatever. Anyway, we're not going down that road. Johnny boy, stop it. Let's pop downstairs quickly. I just want to show you something that I bought. I bought you a little present the other day. I treated her when I was away fishing. I was away fishing with the lads. I'm not sure if you watched that one in Dorset. And I treated her a little present. It's for both of us, really. It's mainly for her vintage stuff and that. But I'll show you what I've got. Pop downstairs, have a look. Good little gadget. There you go, look. Little thermal printer with a roll of labels. And you get a little print. This is a tiny little printer here. I'm not really sure how they work, but it just somehow thermally, is that word, prints onto these labels. You get 3 flat labels at the back, but I bought a roll as well, and you get this roller with it. I'll just show you it in a minute, hang on. We were using this desk jet thing, and obviously it prints out A4, big, miles too big really for what we wanted. And we've got an account with DeskJet, and they charge us a couple of quid or whatever it is per page or something. But this little thing, the rolls of labels, sticky labels. I won't demo it now, but I've got one here. I'll sort of show you, I'll waggle it about. I don't want you to scan it or use it, but that'll be in the post tonight. But it comes out this sort of size. It prints within seconds. Really, really good bit of kit. So you're into your Etsy stuff or your vintage stuff or anything like that, I'll put a link below. It's really, I recommend it, honestly. Get the app on your phone, put the PDF across onto it, and it prints. And this, I threw all the box away, but this is the box that this was holding the label holder at the back, which came free with it. But I've just kept some spare bits and bobs in there. It came with like a couple of leads, USB lead and stuff, if you want to plug it into your computer. But it works via Bluetooth. Good bit of kit, that. I'm loving it at the moment. But you can only connect one device at a time to it, so you know, if you're sharing it, you have to sort of disconnect. But yeah, so far so good. So the little printer I showed you just now, the little thermal printer, lovely little bit of kit, well worth it. I'll put a link below, an affiliated link. Buy for that link in the UK. You pay no more, and I might earn a couple of pence. I earn nothing off of Amazon. I'm loving this case. I love this in black. Do multicolours, easy for sale if you're interested. You've got the DJI Neo Drone. Fits perfectly in that protective case. I'm just printing the lid now. Cheap as you like, they're good. There's some on the internet, there's some on eBay and Etsy for sale already. Excuse me, I drew this up myself, so I've not copyrighted or anything like that. Copied the shape of the drone. But this one's a snug fit, and I've made it 2 wall thickness, which is a lot better, I think. It's a lot stronger. Nice, but it's not a massive, big, bulky case. You can just fit that in your camera bag. I've shown you before the bag I use, the K&F's concept bag, little shoulder bag. Lovely little bit of kit that is. And you can just sort of slip it in one of the pockets. In actual fact, it fits in the pocket. Look the side there if you want, or you can put it in the middle. So I'm just waiting the lid to be printed anyway. Remind us yourself, don't send this to the customer with my drone in it. I must take the drone out. So we'll wait for that to print, and then we'll hopefully it will fix together nicely. We'll get that in the post soon. Meanwhile, I'll drink my tea. Not affiliated in any way to these printers, but this print, I'm loving this Bambu Lab printer at the moment. I think they've got some new gear coming out very, very soon. 17th of November, I think, 2020. It's around about the 2nd or 3rd of November at the moment, but I think on the 17th of November, they've got something on their website about some, I think they've got some printers coming out, but they've got some new plates coming out, or some filament, and something else. I think they've got a wood filament coming out, but I'm going to keep my eye out for that. Mind, I've got enough filament at the moment. I've got a pile of it up there. I'm using the eSun stuff at the moment on Amazon. I'll put a link below to the stuff I've got there to store, actually. If you're interested, it's working well for me. My pub shed, people. Sorry, I've been a bit quiet lately with the cuttlefish in my pub shed. I'm sort of racking my brains. I will get down a bar this weekend, actually. Or this week, sorry. I think I've had a couple of beers. I actually stayed in last night and had quite a couple of beers indoors. I don't always drink indoors. But, yeah, I must get down there and do a little live or do a little video down in the pub shed. I'm racking my brains for something to print. So if you've got any ideas for me to print something, like a cup holder, beer holder, or a cup holder that clips on your bar or your shed or something, let me know, because I'm racking my brains to print stuff. I've only got a one colour printer at the moment. I've not got the multicolour system that they sell at the moment. I haven't got the dosh for that at the moment. I will be getting one later on. So I'm only sort of printing one colour after another. I can pause it and change the colours over, but it's a pain in the backside. But I'm thinking about doing some lettering, raised lettering. I came up with an idea earlier with my grandson Max, but if I do something, that'll be another video. So let's just wait for this to print, and we'll get it in the post. Right, let's finish printing. Didn't take long, 30 minutes, quick cup of tea and we're done. I'll open up now and have a little look. You've got to let it cool down a bit. Put the drone in there, make sure it's a nice snug fit, put it in the post. There you go, that's finished. I've popped it off, and that is the lid. Textured outside on the edge, and I've got a couple of little, you can see them, tiny little pips on there. Let's try it in the case. Hopefully it's a nice fit. There you go. Lovely. That'll loosen up with time as the pips wear down a little bit. Drone goes in there. Lid goes on. Lovely. Thank you for watching that short video. If you're interested in the DJI Neo Drone case, such as this one, in a couple of different colours, check out my Etsy link below, listing, or Shopify. This one's going to be wrapped up in the post, and wing its way to the customer. I'm just going to take a couple of photographs before I dispatch it. And obviously, take the drone out. Nice. Love them. Keep your drone nice and safe with these. If you're interested in any more videos, Autodesk Fusion, Bambu Lab P1S, or the automatic colour system, which I'm going to get very soon, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and drop me some ideas below if you want me to make anything up. I'm new to this, so if you want to follow the journey, please subscribe. I'll see you again soon. A few more tutorial videos coming up as well, I think, as I learned a bit more. Just working on something here for my grandson. I'll let you know in the future if I do a video on that. Anyway, I'll catch you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.